What's up there, YouTube, and welcome back to Budget Mods channel. And today we're going to do a bit of modifications. Yes, I finally bought this bad boy. Bought this off eBay about 30 quid. Just going to fit it onto the car. I'm going to wait for it to stop raining a little bit more, and we're going to fit it on. I have done it all up. I was going to show you all of how to fit it all together, but this part, this was a bit hard to get on there. I don't think it was meant to go on there, but I did it anyway because my hose on the 307 tapers down to a 2.5, and that's a 3.5. So, and that's inches, by the way, inches in diameter. So I thought I'd do that so it basically would fit. It took me about an hour to try and get that on. It's nice and sealed and everything in there as well, so that's all good. One problem I might run into is the breather hose. Now, I don't need to attach that to the actual intake, but later on down the line I am going to have to get, well, when I get paid on Saturday, I am going to have to get a breather hose filter, just so no dirty air gets into the engine and stuff like that. So we're going to do that later on down the line. I'll get paid on Saturday, so I'll probably order one Saturday, and that will come during the week, and all I've got to do is pop that in and that'll be absolutely fine. So I'm going to wait for the rain to just pass a little bit, then we'll just get straight into it. Right, let's get into it. So we start off by undoing the bolt to get the airbox off. It takes a while because of the position of it, and that pipe, as you can see, is in the way. Loosen it up so I can get my fingers to it. Now we're undoing the Jubilee clip that connects the airbox to the actual engine itself. Give it a bit of a wobble. As you can see, I'm trying to take the resonator out and lift that up. Now we've got the new intake system. Going to connect that to the engine. And I've used the same Jubilee clip from the old airbox, so I know that's the right size and everything. Now it's time to position the airbox of the new cold intake. Found a little bolt that I could take out and put where the old resonator was, and just put it on there. You just seen it there. And I've realised at this point that I have put the bracket in the wrong place, so I've moved it up and I have scratched the actual air intake. But it's only cosmetic, no one's going to really see it unless I lift the full bonnet up. And as you can see, it is raining a little bit, and that's not the best. Let's tighten that back up. Taking that bolt out where I said I wanted to get this new airbox into. realised at this point that I'm going to have to bend the mounting arm a little bit so it fits just nicely in there. Bend it round, but then it's sitting a little bit too high, so I've had to bend it, as you'll see in a minute, to like a 90-degree angle, and bend it round a little bit more so it fits nice and flush. Couldn't get the original bolt that I've got out of there into it with the new bracket, so I found the bolt that I took out of the other from the old intake, the old airbox, which was a little bit longer, and I used that instead, and then it just sat in there a little bit more. As you can see there, I have bent that arm a little bit, just so it sits in there nicely. And this is made with the longer bolt now, so it's just sitting in there just nicely. So that was an absolute fucking nightmare, but it's in. It's looking quite good. So there's the old one. So you got the resonator and the airbox. I've took the actual ring off. Yeah, took the ring off that airbox, put it on there, and I've got this hose here, which should be going into that, but I just need to get a filter for it. But it should be alright for a couple of days. Looking the forums and stuff. So what we're going to do now is start it up, see what it sounds like. So we've done the before, let's do the after. So induction kit is on. We might do, if I can find my squeegee, the sun strip again, and I'm going to measure it out and everything. Probably won't show you that because that's going to be boring, but that will be on. I'll show you the picture, then we'll wrap up this video with a little bit of a drive and show you what it sounds like while we're driving. Other than that, guys, that is it. Until we go driving, I'm going to go put this sun strip on. So just editing this video, and this is like the last final thoughts and stuff of this. So basically, got the new breather pipe filter that I'll put that on today. This is like a week later, by the way. And I did try and do a video where I could try and get you the sound of it while I was driving. It just didn't work, so I had to miss that out a bit, but I have noticed a huge difference. It's more of a performance difference is absolutely amazing. All I've got to do is put a little bit on the throttle and it goes. I do feel like I'm not using as much petrol or gas over in America, because I don't have to put my foot down as much. But when I do have to get up into them high revs in low gears, it does sound amazing, and it's going to sound even better with with an exhaust. Still umming and ahhing about that exhaust. So yeah, don't know what to do. More modifications to come, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ta-ra, Uppbeat.